Urosam is a product from Samtronic's line of intermittent catheters, which can be used by men and women in two versions with 50 cm and 25 cm. Before starting the procedure, wash your hands with soap and water. The catheter has a modern design, it's easy to handle and is ready to use. It's easy to open and safe to transport. Remove the protective film covering the catheter and then remove it from the packaging. Then tear along the perforated line to access the catheter. The collection bag is malleable and has an anti-reflux valve that prevents accidents and contamination and has a storage capacity of 1000 milliliters. The catheter has a hydrophilic coating with a rounded and automatic tip, allowing greater comfort and safety. In addition to bilateral inlets allowing better urine flow, the internal sponge facilitates lubrication. After intimate hygiene, push the catheter out of the packaging without touching the tip. Expose the urethra by separating the labia majora and minora with one hand and carefully insert the catheter through the urethra. If necessary, use a mirror until urine begins to flow into the bag. Wait until the bladder is completely empty. After finishing, carefully remove the catheter. Open the bag along the line indicated in the upper corner. Discard the urine into the toilet, cover the catheter and dispose of the set in the trash. Wash your hands again. The catheter is available in size 6 to 20 French, in both male and female models. Thank you very much for choosing our products. If you have any questions, please contact us through our channels.